get some action. So next we got Fallout 4 for the PS4. Pretty dope game. I know a lot of you guys have probably played it. Small games in here. Never know how it's gonna go. I always feel like everyone's trying now. First up, I'm gonna do Rock Band Unplugged for the PSP. I'm kind of nervous on this one. I have a feeling the PS2 might, I have no idea. One more time.
Brother, there's another than the instant back. Spada. That's the big one, different,